Okay, so a very good morning here on the 8th of June 2018. My name is Rishi Patel, co-founder Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. And a quick video update here from our live trading room, which we're running, of course, the trades this week, dollar yen, and a newer trade as well. And I wasn't planning on doing an update this morning, but I couldn't resist because the dollar yen, if you look carefully at our terminal window, is no longer trading. It has been stopped out on its trailing stop, and we can actually view in the account history to see exactly where that has gone to. So you can see that I have made a loss there of minus £4.76. It's pretty much on the break-even level. I got into the trade at 109.45. I'm out of the trade at 109.44. So we took a loss of just a pip, pretty much the break-even level. And that's a good place to be for a trade that's not panning out in the direction that we had initially predicted that it would. I'm glad to be wrong on that, and I'm glad that it's pretty much broken us even. It's made next to no loss, which is really, really important. That happened into the early part of this morning. You can see that that was actually stopped out around about 3 hours ago. This is 3 hours fast, so that would have been at 7 a.m. That would have been stopped out on that dollar Japanese yen. So around about midnight last night, we also opened a new trade that was satisfied on liftoff 3.0. And this is around the 100 period moving average, you can see just there. If you look, the Aussie US dollar, we did open that particular trade opportunity at 1 a.m., which is midnight UTC. 0.7613 was my entry price into the trade, and you can see this morning it has already progressed lower. If we look carefully at this particular bar, actually, if we pull open the ATR to understand where the ATR is by way of this opportunity, you'll see that the ATR is 66 pips. Today, um, what kind of a movement have we seen in the market? We've already seen a movement of more than 66 pips on this bar's range. It's already covered 1 ATR. So there is quite a significant, and it's only 10:30 a.m. So there is quite a significant move that's taken place on this Aussie dollar. There is a chance that we could see an even further move to the downside. But if we're not already in the trade, it is of course too late to get in at the correct entry level again. Congratulations to all of the live trade mentorship and live trade mentorship advanced members for getting in at the correct price. And I know a couple of you messaged me to confirm that you are taking that trade. So well done to you. Of course, don't forget we don't actually provide signals or advice here. This is purely done for an educational basis. We're just publishing the trades that we're taking in real time. And the Aussie dollar is one of them. It satisfied all of the criteria for liftoff 3.0. And you can see as soon as we are out of one trade, which we've minimized the risk on, we've broken even, we're straight into another one. And this is a very viable setup. And this has a lot of potential again to get towards its 3% target. So I'm looking for a target, an upside of £1,583. You can see currently we're up £334 on this opportunity, and we're looking for an upside of £1,500 to happen over the next couple of days. Swing trade, I only need to manage it 15 minutes a day, so that's pretty much it in terms of this video update at this time. I look forward to speaking to you all very soon, either at Traders Basecamp this weekend. Looking forward to welcoming a group onto that. Either that or an event sometime soon, or a one-to-one elite coaching session. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master. Bye for now.